They say every storm starts with a single spark. At Goshen Middle School, that spark has a name. Chance Labanz. He's the kid with the electric smile, the bigger-than-life heart, and the voice that we all look forward to every morning when he delivers his weather forecast on the morning announcements.
Good morning, GMS. This is Chance Labanz coming in live from Mr. Hyde's tribe.
But here's the part that you may not know. Chance is on the autism spectrum. And while some may see autism as a challenge, we see it differently. For Chance, autism is his superpower. You see, sometimes autism can sharpen a focus, fuel a passion, and unlock a brilliance the world desperately needs. And for Chance, that brilliance is all about the weather.
With a winter storm warning that affected till 12 a.m. Tuesday.
Weather's his thing. I don't think I could picture him doing anything else besides something to do with the weather.
After seeing this passion of his, our school knew that we wanted Chance to experience even more. We called out for help from our community to see the possibilities of Chance touring local weather stations. The local meteorologist team showed up in ways that would bring tears to your eyes. Everyone wanted to help this sweet kiddo explore his dreams. And what an adventure he got to go on.
Goshen Middle School News Team.
How you doing? You guys good?
So, welcome to the studio.
Randy Rico from Channel 5 WLWT rolled out the red carpet and invited Chance and some classmates for a behind-the-scenes tour, even letting him step onto the green screen and live his dream. She was the first to answer our call and really kicked things off. Next was Chief Meteorologist John Gum at WKRC Channel 12. He welcomed Chance and his family on Thanksgiving Day for a studio tour and live broadcast. Most recently, Chance got to visit Fox 19 and visit Erin Ashley. What is so special about Erin is that she also attended Goshen local schools, just like Chance, giving inspiration that even if you are from a small town, you can do big things and live out your dreams. Erin showed him around the studio, helped him track a storm, and even introduced him to Chief Meteorologist Steve Horsemeyer. Everybody in this town knows Steve, and they grew up watching him as well. Ethan Emery was there too. And let's not forget about Channel 9 WCPO, Brandon Spinner, Cameron Harden. These guys were awesome. Every tour, every conversation, every hug and high five, they didn't just show him what's possible, they show him that he belongs. Now Chance's future forecast? 100% certain. Meteorologist.
As you can see, those wet boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings.
It looks like there's some rain showers near Louisville and...
But his biggest dream is still on the horizon. He wants to visit New York City. Why?
He wants to see Roker.
That would be his dream.
That would be his dream. He's like, I really hope, really want to go. It's like the Today Show. And he's like, I really want to see it in turn.
Maybe, just maybe, today's the day Al hears about the boy from a small town with a big dream. Because here's the truth. Dreams, they don't need perfect conditions. They just need belief. And when you hold on to it, there's no telling where it'll take you.